If you're wondering how to play the E chord on guitar or the best guitar chords for beginners, then I'm about to run through a full E chord guitar lesson to help you get great results fast. And if you stick around to the end of the video, I'll provide you with 5 tips on how to learn chords on the guitar so you can efficiently and effectively learn the E chord or any other must-know chords for beginners. Finally, I have a special bonus for you at the end of the video. Hello and welcome to the Rock Dojo. My name is Brian Parham and I'll be your guitar sensei. I created the Rock Dojo to share the positive power of rock guitar. In this lesson, I'm going to teach you how to play the E chord on the guitar with on-screen guitar chord charts and guitar chord diagrams. In addition, I'll provide you with 5 tips to get fast results as you learn the must-know guitar chords for beginners. And if you stick around to the end of the video, I have a special bonus for you. I want to send a special shout out to those of you who are part of the Rock Dojo community. Your support helps me share the positive power of rock guitar. If you're not part of that community, then hit the subscribe button. It's free and you'll never miss a lesson. The E chord looks and sounds like this. To play the E chord in the open position, you're going to take your pointer finger and you're going to put it on the first fret of the G string. Then you're going to take your ring finger and you're going to put it on the second fret of the D string. And finally, you're going to finish with your middle finger on the second fret of the A string, and you're going to strum all the strings from there. And now that you know how to finger the E chord, it's time for my top 5 tips for mastering the E chord or any other guitar chords for beginners. Number 1, go slow. When it comes to learning how to play the guitar, slow is fast and fast is slow. So take your time. When you're getting your E chord going, go very slowly and make sure each note is ringing out. Which brings me to number 2, sound check. Once you've fingered the chord and you have all your fingers in the correct position, then take a moment to strum it and check each note individually. If one of the notes isn't ringing out, troubleshoot. Where's the problem? As you can hear, the G string in this example is not ringing out. It's because I'm not pressing hard enough. If I press harder, voila, my chord is ringing out beautifully. Number 3, avoid learning too many chords all at once. Once again, this goes back to number 1, really. Slow is fast and fast is slow. So the best thing that you can do, whether you're learning a chord or anything else on the guitar, is really dial it into 1 or 2 concepts and really get those concepts down. So don't try to learn the E chord, the C chord, the A chord, the G chord, etc. all in one go. Instead, take your time, focus on one chord at a time. Which takes us to tip number 4. Connect it with chords you already know. Imagine you know how to play the A chord. Well, let's put the E chord with the A chord. It looks and sounds like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Switching to the A. And number 5, connect it with songs you know and love. The E chord is one of the must-know guitar chords for beginners because it's found in so many chord progressions and hundreds, if not thousands of songs. So connect the E chord to songs you know and love. And so there you have it, my top 5 tips for mastering the E chord or any other guitar chord for beginners. Click on the link in the description below for your free guitar course for kids. If you have a question about this video or learning how to play the guitar, then please let me know in the comment section below. I just might turn your question into a future video. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell to be notified for my future content. And remember, every guitar master was once a beginner. The more you practice, the better you will become. Rock!